Just some very quick reactions to the interim research and report that's come out from Ofsted around how the delivery and execution of remote learning has been going in what's effectively lockdown number 3 here in the UK. I guess there are two aspects to this. I have my GovX digital hat, where I'm reflecting on the sort of delivery of services in the UK, but then also as a parent, what's my perspective been as an end user from this. And I have to say that what's reassuring is the way that this time round there's been an adaptation to circumstances. Summer last year it was very much asynchronous learning, worksheets provided by schools and then parents left to get on with it. This time around it's been very different. There's been a much more readily available e-learning platform with live Zoom classes. The Ofsted stuff's interesting. They basically recommend a more blended approach, so that there's not one size fits all, and that's certainly how we found it as parents, that with 2 young children they can't sit all day on Zoom calls or Teams calls. But I guess the wider reflection is also around how the public service provision has been learning and has adapted, as all services have in the COVID era. The schools were ready to go this time around when lockdown started. They're continuing to adapt the way e-learning's happening, so the timetable is flexing according to feedback from parents who are maybe sharing information about how much their kids are struggling to do long stints on screens and so on. So whatever happens post-COVID, what we hope is that public service provision and service excellence are about listening to end users, are about flexing to what they're hearing in feedback, are about adapting and blending technology. It's not a digital fixation, it's more about a provision of face-to-face services where it's appropriate, and then using digital to pick up the slack where perhaps there's more sort of admin-focused tasks that can be done remotely. So not good times for lots of reasons, but also I hope that this means there's a new era of service provision coming along, and that we'll continue to learn lessons and provide user-centric services, whether that's education, health, social care. Hopefully this is good news for the future.